guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have gloves on because I'm cooking. I am going to be trying to make Chipotle at home. I have steak right here. This is sirloin steak. I know I already put stuff on it. I totally forgot to record, so I'm just gonna start from here. I added in some green stuff. Some green stuff called culantro, Goya culantro. Yeah, that's this. Anyways, like I was trying to say, yeah, I had Goya culantro. If you hear a wheezing sound in the background, it's my dog, so please, like, I don't know what's going on with her. But so what was I saying? Yeah, I used that, which looks like this. I'm sorry, but I can't go grab the bottle again. And I added minced garlic in. I can't tell you the measurements because I'm literally just eyeballing everything. What else did I add in here? Nothing else? That's it. And now I have to add red Mexican chili pepper, a little bit of brown sugar, and that's it for now. And I'm gonna let it marinate in this overnight, and I'm gonna put it on the grill tomorrow. So yeah, guys, I'll show you what it looks like when I put all the seasonings on it and whatever. Just give me 1 second. Okay, guys, so this is what it's looking like right now. It looks kind of, yeah, but we'll see about this tomorrow. And we're just gonna brush this off of your fingertips. And I'm just gonna put foil paper on this, and then it's gonna go in, and then it's gonna go in the fridge. And tomorrow I'll be back with the rest to show you guys. The next day, I'm gonna start off by making the rice first. I'm trying, okay? I don't know, no measurements. I'm just eyeballing everything, so just bear with me. This is the rice that I'm using. It's called basmati rice. Yeah. Listen, okay, sometimes rice is like Sunday. Relax. Go sit on the couch. Relax. Sorry guys, that was my dog. But what was I saying? Sometimes rice is a real hit or miss. Especially when it's rice like this. Like, I can cook rice out the box, but when it comes to like rice in the bag, I don't know why it comes out good sometimes and bad other times, but just bear with me. Okay. So, like I said, you know this. We're gonna start off with. Should I make a cup or 2 cups of rice? I don't know, cause I always have mad rice left over. All right, we're gonna make. Oh wait, what am I doing? Oh, you see, this is what I'm talking about. We're gonna start off with the rice first. Ugh. Nah, maybe I'll just make a cup of rice. This looks like a lot. So look, this is the cup of rice. Pour that in here. Yikes. I think that should be good. What if I run out of rice? Maybe I should make 2 cups. I don't know. 2 cups, that's usually bad rice. Alright, we're just gonna make 2 cups of rice, like, so be it. Here's the second cup. And this is the pot, by the way, that I'm using. It's clean. It just, you know, if you cook, you know, your pots don't stay the same from when you bought them. Then I'm gonna add 2, what? For every cup of rice is 2 cups. So 2. So I'm gonna put 4 cups of water. I'm having a brain for today, guys. So that's 1. That's 2. That's 3. the stove, okay? Stove is over here. I'm not gonna show you guys that right now. Just gonna do it. Okay. I'm gonna put this on the stove. Where the top go? I'm gonna put the top on. And yeah, I'm gonna let that go. I have other seasonings to put in it. I'm gonna put lime juice, lemon juice, cilantro leaves. It's better if you use real cilantro though, but I don't have that. Bay leaves, salt, and a little bit of oil so it don't stick. So should I add that now? I'm gonna give it a few and then I'm gonna add those things. But in the meanwhile, we're gonna start on the steak. I'm gonna get that out the fridge. So this is the steak from last night. Okay, it looks kind of sick, I know, but I'm about to put gloves on too because I don't like the way meat feels on my hands. But yeah, seriously. We're also gonna turn on the grill. I have a grill that goes on the stove. It's an indoor grill, so I'm gonna turn on both sides. And yeah, I put it on 8. Does it go up to 8? I put it on 8 because you're supposed to grill it hot, mad hot. And to me, that's mad hot. I'm also gonna add some olive oil to the grill. Do that. Some olive oil on the grill. I saw that you're supposed to put OD salt on the steak. So if you're on a diet, this is not for you because I'm about to apply mad salt. Okay. I don't know. That's what I saw. That's what I read. Don't listen to me. If it comes out, good, listen to me. But right now, just don't listen to me. I'm gonna put the salt on it when it gets on the grill. Yeah. This what else I'm supposed to add? I'm sorry, guys. I'm over here looking at a bunch of different things. Oh yeah, we're also gonna cook beans too while we're at it. Yes, and corn, beans and corn. Okay, beans and corn, just like Chipotle. So here I got black beans, frijoles negros. Yeah, I have that, and that's what we're gonna use for that. So I'm gonna open the can of beans while this is getting hot. And I'm going to, alright, I think it's already hot. Matter of fact, let me turn on the air thingy and open the door because I know it's about to steam up over here. Okay, I'm nervous. I'm real nervous. I'm going to move this because I already see it coming. Alright. I'm nervous. And I'm gonna leave them on for 12 minutes because I like my food well done. I'm sorry. I'm not eating my food with no blood in it. Like, if that's the case, I would have just went and killed it myself and bit into it right then and there. So I'm not doing that, okay? The thing is popping, so I'm about to just put them on. Ah! Ah! So to the beans, I'm gonna add a little bit more of the water, and I'm gonna put cumin, bay leaf, garlic, lemon juice, lime juice, an onion. I'm not gonna put a whole onion. I'll probably put half, cut up, and yeah, that's it. Okay. Guys, please be careful when you're doing this because oh my god, it's on fire! It's on fire! Oh my god, it's on fire! Oh my god, it's on fire! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! How do I get the fire off? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It cut! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! caught on fire. Caught on fire. That was scary. That was so scary. That was so scary. I'm shaking. Oh God, I dropped the whole and we're just gonna. That was mad scary. Okay. Whew. All right. I need to learn what to do in case there's a fire. I know you're not supposed to pour water on it because it's gonna make it worse. And I was about to pour water because I was sticking out, but I don't have a fire extinguisher. So yeah, that was scary. Is everything on? Yeah, it's on. Okay. What was I saying? Dude, yo, my dog was out of here. Like, she's at the front door. Like, listen, I'm not gonna catch on fire. Okay, I'm out of here. All right, guys. So this is how it's coming. This is the beans coming along. The rice. This is the steak that I have on the grill. This just happened. Please don't mind the stove again. This just happened. I'm grilling, so that's gonna happen. All right. I don't have a dirty stove. I mean, it's dirty right now, but I'm gonna clean it. And now, you see, guys? Do you see this? This I do not eat. Are you? Nah. Okay. This is going in the oven to finish. So guys, this is it when it comes out the oven. I'm gonna cut this up. I already cut up some right here. This is what I'm gonna use. Here's the rice. Here's the cheese I'm gonna use. I don't have the right cheese, but this will do for now. Here's the beans. Chipotle in the crib from scratch.